Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 2026-03 security update KB5079473 not installing on Windows 11. First, open settings on your PC. Now, from the left side, click on System, then click on Windows Update. Here, try installing the 2026-03 security update KB5079473 again. While you're here, click on Advanced Options and check sections like Optional Updates and Recovery to make sure there are no pending items causing conflicts. Next, go back to your desktop and press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and click OK. A folder will open. Select all the files and delete them. If some files don't delete, just skip them. After that, open Run again, type %temp% and press OK. This will open another temporary folders. Again, delete all the files here to clear unnecessary cache. Now for a better connection reset, you can briefly turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds and then turn it off. This helps refresh your network connection. Next, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots from the top right corner and go to Settings. Then open Privacy and Security and click on Delete Browsing Data. Select Browsing History, Cookies, and other site data and cached images and files. Make sure the time range is set to all time, then click Delete Data. After clearing everything, go back and restart your PC. This step is important to apply all changes. Finally, once your system restarts, go back to Windows Update and try installing the update again. It should now install properly without errors. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.